Now we are solving the question of JEE Main 2025. They are saying that a bob of mass m is suspended at a point O by a light string of length L and left to perform vertical motion as shown in figure. Initially, by applying horizontal velocity v0 at point A, the string becomes slack when bob reaches at point D. The ratio of kinetic energy of bob at points B and C is. Okay, now they are saying that a bob was suspended from O of length L, and also it is moving in vertical motion. Okay, at a point D, the string becomes slack. What does slacking means? It means the bob loses its contact from vertical motion. So we'll have the force mg here, and there will be some centripetal force towards the center. We know in the vertical motion we'll have some centripetal force, that is mv square by r. Let's assume the velocity at d is vd. Okay, it is vd square by r. Now vd is root gr. So to find the kinetic energy at b and c, we have to find what is the velocity at a. Okay, now apply conservation of energy, because there will be no net external forces. So conservation of energy is applied. So kinetic energy at A plus potential energy at A is equal to kinetic energy at B plus potential energy at B. At A there will be some velocity VA plus let's assume it as a reference point. So there will be no height, right? So 0 potential energy and half m. Okay, let's assume here as VB square and VC square. Here mvb square plus mg into height. We have to find this height. We know that okay, this total length was L, right? So let's assume this as x and this as L minus x. So cos 60 is adjacent by hypotenuse L minus x by this length also L. 1 by 2 is L minus x by L. L is 2L minus 2x. X is equal to L by 2. So this was L by 2 and this was L by 2. This height was L by 2. Now we got that kinetic energy at B is half m VA square plus mg L by 2. Okay, how to find the velocity at VA? Now again applying conservation of energy at VA and at point A and point D. So half m VA square and plus 0 kinetic potential energy, half m VD square plus total length was 2L, right? This was L and this was also L. mg 2L. So from here we got that VD as root gr, so VD square is gr. Now mv square by 2 is mgr by 2 plus r is radius, which is nothing but length L, plus mg 2L. So 5 mgl by 2, mv square by 2. Va is root 5gl. So put this in our previous equation. Half m 5gl plus mgl by 2. Sorry, this was a minus, right? Now 2 mgl. Again, in the same way, we'll apply for at point A and C also. Okay, now this was L by 2, this was L by 2. In the same way, this was L by 2 and this was L by 2. This length was L by 2 and this was L. So total length 3L by 2. Applying conservation of energy at A and C. Half m VA square and 0 potential energy, half m VC square plus mg 2L, kinetic energy at C. What is VA? We got it as 5gl, right? 5gl minus 2 mgl is kinetic energy at C. What is this? Okay, this was not 2L. The height was 3L by 2. Okay, this total height was 3L by 2. This was mgl. So they are asking kinetic energy at B by kinetic energy at C, which is 2 mgl by mgl. That is 2.